Welcome to Autos Play, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the modern modified 2025 Ford Escort MK1, a reimagined classic that blends vintage charm with contemporary performance and design enhancements. At the front, the Escort MK1 retains its iconic appeal while incorporating modern styling elements. A redesigned honeycomb patterned grille takes center stage, seamlessly integrating with round LED headlamps featuring built-in daytime running lights. The reworked front bumper includes larger air intakes, enhancing cooling efficiency while giving the car a more aggressive stance. A sculpted hood with subtle contours adds depth to the overall aesthetic, while integrated fog lamps and chrome accents provide a refined yet sporty touch. From the side, the Escort MK1 showcases a dynamic silhouette that reflects both agility and strength. Sharp character lines and a sleek body contour create a sense of motion even when the car is at a standstill. The vehicle rides on striking 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels that perfectly complement the subtly flared wheel arches. Glossy black side cladding, integrated roof rails, and a gently sloping roofline add modern practicality without sacrificing the car's retro charm. Precision-cut door handles and chrome window trims highlight a meticulous attention to detail. At the rear, the blend of classic and modern design continues to impress. A continuous LED taillight strip stretches across the width, creating a bold and unmistakable visual signature. The redesigned rear bumper features a sporty skid plate and dual exhaust tips, reinforcing the car's performance-oriented personality. A high-mounted stop lamp and an integrated ducktail spoiler enhance aerodynamics, completing the look with a perfect mix of style and function. Inside, the Escort MK1's cabin is a seamless fusion of vintage aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. Dual-tone leather upholstery with refined contrast stitching elevates the interior, paired with a floating 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The fully digital instrument cluster, ambient lighting, ventilated front seats, and a flat-bottom steering wheel with integrated controls ensure a driver-centric experience that honors the car's heritage while embracing modern comforts. Under the hood, the 2025 Escort MK1 is powered by a turbocharged 1.6 liters inline-4 engine, delivering 180 horsepower and 220 Nm of torque. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, this updated powertrain ensures an exhilarating yet smooth drive. The addition of mild hybrid technology enhances fuel efficiency while preserving the Escort MK1's renowned spirited performance. For more exciting automotive updates, don't forget to subscribe to Autos Play.